Woo doggy. I just pulled up that beach break webcam over in France, and this is facing west. That's not the moon. That's that planet that Jeff P caught that on path clued me to. Pretty sure. Just right about the same time. I'll pull up Stellarium here in a second. Okay, here's Stellarium. Now the camera's facing west. There's the moon. So I'll show you, so here's the location. I got it over here in France, on the tip of France. That's where this place is. Close enough anyway. See the little tip there? So this is where this Stellarium is gone to. And then you just go over here and you punch up moon. And it'll stay on the moon. So that's the time, 20:50:36. So I don't know, it's a little bit cloudy there. So let's see if we see the moon. Well, I think first I gotta shrink this. There we go. All right. Okay, now so it shouldn't be on the horizon. The moon's up here. You can see where the moon's at. Fortunately, you can't toggle this around. That's it. That's got to be one of the moons or the big planet that passed Ace or one of its moons. You could have two moons. Judging by the gaps we saw on Ace. This is wild. Thanks, Dawn. Got some weird stuff happening there. It looks like, I don't know. Refresh this thing. Hit that and it goes back to live video. There it is. Moon's got to be up here. See how bright it is up there? That's the object. And as you can see on Stellarium, that's the location. Then you just I put it on perspective. This is how you set Stellarium up. Then the cardinal points, I got it on the ecliptic plane. That's usually where the moon is and the planets close by. And then the horizon, of course, the cardinal points, that shows you the north, south, east, or west. And the sky, just put scale moon. It always goes to 4.0. And I just show the planet markers. I don't need to show the planets. You don't need to show the orbits or light speed or any of that stuff. I don't know. I never found it to be useful anyway. Then down here, this is interesting too. I don't know what the heck that is. That thing shows up all the time. It's near the moon. Now what happened to the moon? This is very strange. See if we're still in the same location. Yeah, we're still in the same location. Where's the freaking moon at? Search window. Moon. Back off this. The moon was right there. Is it hiding behind one of the Nibiru objects? I don't know. Very strange. Just saw it, right? There's something down there too, below the horizon. It's like it might be the same glitch. Let me go out and come back in on Stellarium, see if maybe you need to reload this thing. I don't know. Well, let's just change the location. Well, I don't want. Okay, I know what I did wrong, which I've never done before. Remember when I show you how to set this thing up? Well, when you go to Sky, when I clicked off to show planets, which I never done before, that took out the moon. So I put that back in. There it is. I didn't think the moon was a planet, but according to this program, that's how they have it set up. So anyway, there's the moon. This is still the France location. I even reloaded it. And I figured out what I did wrong there. So let's go back to that beach cam, beach break. There it is, man. So the moon's up here. It's being obscured by this logo. You can see how bright it is up there. There's the refreshing it. That's got to be the object, man. You can see it's a live shot. There's waves coming in. If you click full screen on your video, you can see there's the time and date. 2:58 a.m. That's over in France. Wow. So there we have it. That's definitely a pretty good sized celestial object. I wish you could see my cat. She's laying right here in front of the freaking computer screen on her back. Being cute. Her name's Pookie. She's a great kitty. But anyway, there you have it. I still got 8 minutes left. Maybe I'll show you a couple things here. I don't know if you can see these cat paws on the screen. I don't think so. I guess not. There's where we left off today. Remember? Okay, this is 540. This is what I highlighted in the video this morning. The crimp. And watch up here once we get up to 1300. Going to be 3 hours of missing time. 1348. And it goes to 1640, 1637. So something happened. Must have been pretty bizarre. They knocked out 3 hours. No more missing time after that, but check out all that electron volt pressure back there. That's at 2152. Now these, remember they ended at 416 today? 1120, 416, that's where they stopped. Well, they gave us a little bit more. And you can see after we get that big energy spike, 416, I think everything's filled up with purple and black. And this clicks normally in 20-second increments, but that was 34 there, or 44. Yeah, 44. So we got Or that's 40-second increments, I guess. Yeah. So anyway, you could see it's bleeding in, and then there's 540, and let's see that it really cracked into the below the bow, false bow shock in the back. Got pushed all the way below the geosynchronous orbit of the GLOW's 13, 14, and 15 satellites at 22,236 miles. And that's when here we are, we're back to the pastels again. And you can see there's that crack I was talking about. I noticed that several times in the run this morning, but I only highlighted one, so I was running out of time. So it looks like we got some serious high levels of energy above 4 MeV, because either this thing can't read it correctly, or I think they may have recalibrated this thing. But either way, we got some major electron volts showing up there. 4 million at least plus. And it clicks off at 2020. So they're still cutting it off, because this thing goes all the way up to 1121 002 UTC. And this one's clicking off at still 1120 2020. So it's like 4 hours they're not giving us on here. Now I loaded these things a couple hours ago actually. And I wasn't really going to make a video, but I was waiting to see how this beach cam thing turned out. So anyway, this one too, look how red it got. And then we also had some high solar wind speeds at 1120, 2240 UTC, 929. Then it went to 1023, 745, 63. And these are in 4-minute increments. So it didn't last too long. 1268, 2308, 944, 946, 897, 849, 853, 798, and then it starts going back down. So that was what, 2340. So it was like about an hour anyway, but no telling what we missed on those on that missing time. I'm not sure exactly how long that run went. I think it went up to around 10 or something this morning. But we'll just drag this through for you so you can look at this real quick and notice all the field lines piling up in front of the planet, man. There's definitely a big planet out here, and well, we might be looking at it on this beach cam. Crazy stuff, guys. And there's a time-lapse feature on this beach cam thing I just noticed, so might be worth I'll definitely make another vid tomorrow, I'm sure, because it looks like we're in a pretty another dynamic situation going on here with the space weather. I think we're definitely stuck between the big planet and Nemesis, and I think their big planet and Nemesis are making connections too, through or around Earth, probably both. So here's that beach cam. I got like a minute, less than a minute left. There's the object. Moon should be coming into frame pretty soon, but I'm gonna run out of time before that. But hopefully I can hit one of these time-lapse features if they don't shut this camera down, and make a video tomorrow morning and include this. So crazy stuff, guys. Thanks Don Task for sharing that Jeff P link, because I haven't really been subscribing to him lately, even though, you know, I have in the past, and he's done some great work with the Sun Simulator. But anyway, I'm running out of time. God bless, and peace, and I'm out, and I'll catch you on the flip.